we are officially on vacation.
Watch me shine, walking by faith one day at a time. That's so chef. Living with purpose, God's timing always working for us. From the highs to the lows, still the light in me glows. That's so chef. Can't you see, I'm becoming who I'm destined to be.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, hi, my name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev. Welcome to that. So Chev, and to all my returning OGs, hey, how are you guys doing? Comment in the comment section down below and let me know how you guys are doing. As you can tell by the title, as you can tell by the thumbnail, as you can tell by the intro, what are we doing, chat? We're getting a birthday, Nate. Nice! It is birthday time, okay? It is birthday time. To God be the glory, the honor, and the praise. Before we jump into that, if you have not already, please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Subscribe, guys. I know I have a lot of silent viewers and you guys are not subscribed, but I'm begging you, subscribe, please. I wanted to reach 1K for my birthday. We're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. Anything can happen, but we're not gonna make it right now. So let me give you guys the breakdown of how the birthday maintenance is going to go. So on the 10th of August, the day before my husband's birthday, we are going to get my nails done. And then on Wednesday, we are getting my lashes done. On Thursday, we're getting my brows done. We're getting them laminated and waxed by someone different. We're going to Extended Beauty. We're going there. And then on Friday, we are getting our hair done. And then Saturday, we are on the road. Yeah, Saturday we're on the road. So that's what that looks like. So I'll be taking you guys along with me to see everything. We'll be gone for 5 days and I'm excited for the trip. I'm excited to just relax, to just put up my feet and just thoroughly relax, okay? I'm looking forward to that. Welcome back to another day in the vlog. Today is nails day. We're gonna go get our nails done. Okay, I'm so excited. And after we get our nails done, I need to go look for some stuff for my husband's birthday for tomorrow. But up the road, I've made a few mistakes, but we'll talk about that later. We'll talk about the mistake I made. But I drove come, so I'm proud of myself. I'm super duper proud of myself. Good afternoon, my love. Back massage. This feels so good. That was the next one. Almost missed. Guys, so I am heading home now. Listen, I got here maybe about 12:15 I got here. We started the nails right away when I got here. It is now 7 o'clock. It is now 7 o'clock. Yeah, so we're heading home now. Tomorrow I'm not doing anything tomorrow. Tomorrow is my husband's birthday. So yeah. Let's hear what he thinks about the nails. Good night, baby. So much back there on this stuff.
Sure. What's it?
You like it?
I love it, baby. It's real good.
Currently in the grocery store, as you can see, looking for the stuff to do my husband's breakfast and stuff tomorrow. Alright, so he is not fond of eating rice, so he normally eats like couscous. So I'm gonna show you guys the couscous. So yeah, couscous. What's this? This is rice. Yeah, this is rice. Take you along the journey of making hubby's breakfast, but just know that his breakfast was made. He opened his gifts. He loves every single one of them. You see me? Do you see me? I'm sweating, okay? I'm hot and I'm tired. It is now 12:14. He went on the road this morning. I made the boys breakfast, and then he came back about after 11. I made his breakfast, as you guys saw. Now I'm making something for me. What's your favorite thing about me? What's your favorite thing about it?
Just seeing you live yourself, just being able to do what you want to do when you want to do. Having a little gadget, having a little thing. Not having to worry about the struggles of the world and everything. Unless you just choose to take it up on your head. Yeah, at least you choose to and not, it's not forced on you.
Hey guys, hey, I haven't talked to you guys for morning, but today, as you know, it's Wednesday. Today is my lash appointment. So my lash appointment is at 12 o'clock. It is now 11:30. We just finished breakfast and we're heading on to that now. So when I reach, if I get to vlog, I get to vlog. Even tell you guys, so I have been, my packages, right, coming from both from China, my hair coming from China, my clothes coming from Shein, right? I was stressed, little bit, worried, little bit, because I wasn't sure if they were going to get here in time. But they got here in time. So my shipping company just messaged and told us that they're ready. So after my appointment, when I'm at my appointment, my husband is probably going to go pick up my packages. So that I can figure out what I'm doing with my hair. Cause I was going to book, appointment to get my pixie done. Cause I wasn't sure I was going to get what's on the wig. And I'm hoping the wig is a good quality. I chose a good quality wig. So I'm hoping the wig is in a good quality so that I can get it done. If not, we're going to have to do the pixie wig. So let's see. But yeah, so that's the update on that. All done, on our way back on the road. Oh, so here's a set. I did something a little bit different this time, a little bit fuller. I'm usually doing like classic, but it's a birthday, so we're gonna do something a little bit different. So that's how we look like. Tell me if you guys like it in the comments down below. Okay guys, so Hobby picked up the packages, right? Hobby picked up the packages. Here's the wig. Here's the wig. Here's the wig, chat. Here's the wig, chat. Is this supposed to be 32 inches? Disappointed. When I tell you the Lord is working on me, the Lord is working on me, because I would be crying, I would be crashing out, I would be mad. And I can't request a refund without sending back the wig. I can't get a refund without sending back the wig. I was thinking to cut off the bottom part. It doesn't feel like 250. And then this is the lace. Sorry, I didn't show you guys. This is the lace. I don't know if this is a good lace or not. I don't know. I don't know nothing about the lace. I don't know nothing about lace. Right? I don't know nothing about lace. The top part feels nice, but going down, no. Top part looks nice and silky and smooth. But when you can definitely see that this look like it may be a mixed fiber actually. Look. You can see the different shades. You can see it. So Pixie it is. I'm gonna show you guys on the screen what style I may be doing. My cousin and I were talking about the style. From I felt it come in this bag, I just knew that it was gonna be it. I feel like a top wig is going to come in a box. That's how I feel. I could be wrong. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like a really good wig is going to come in a box. But as I said, I could be wrong. So now I have to figure out what I'm gonna do with my pixie. It's more of like a mohawk kind of style, with a curl up. Not mohawk, but like ears so flat down, curl up. Yeah, Chef put it on the screen. I am not going to let this bother me. My jewelry, my accessories, did not come. Those were actually delivered today at the place in US. So that did not come. So I don't have any, accessories. You know, like the colored bangles, them. Yeah, I don't have those. But what can we do? Guys, so this is all my stuff from Shein, literally. literally everything that I bought from Shein, like, and there's more underneath. Like, just keep going, just keep swimming, just keep going. The aftercare, you would guide me with that?
Yeah, I'm gonna give it to you.
Okay. Hey guys, so I am back home, obviously. Listen, I am hot and tired. Like, I went inside and inside feels so hot, and I'm like, I need to go outside. Like, I'm so hot. But I did buy a dress today, and we're just gonna dress it up and make it look good and make it look good for the birthday. So yeah, but otherwise, as I said, I am not stressing about this birthday. This birthday is supposed to be fun, full of enjoyment, calm, peaceful, and then look at something there. Yeah, we're not looking to give stress and worry. So to achieve my hairstyle, I had to go buy one bundle of 10-inch loose wave. So that's what I bought. I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it and wash out that little frownsy smell that outside, you know, when you buy hair, the hair smell bad. So that is what I'm going to do. My hair is going to relax and cut and everything tomorrow, so I don't need to do anything. So I look forward to that little pampering. Yeah, I need to make sure my husband get a trim, and then I need to buy us a perfumes. I didn't go to the perfume shop today, but I'm gonna go to the perfume shop tomorrow. And then I need to make sure that he gets his haircuts and get his beard lined up and everything, because they see if I'm follow him, we're gonna go down and I look bomb diggity, and he's going to have his face looking like he's nobody's husband, and we can't have that. No. So I need to make sure he gets his relaxer. I need to make sure he gets his trim. I'm tired. I want to sleep. I love it. This looks this is tea.
Yep, it does.
This is nice.
The mesh.
Just
And
that.
then you tie around it lightly.
Tie
So
around
just
it
show
lightly.
you.
Okay. With the silk scarf?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so this is what will keep all your curls together. So this is where you put over here as the net. Keep your curls, and then you just use your silk scarf and just
tie around the sides.
Yes, you can just move this over your face and just tie around the sides.
Okay, gotcha.
Right?
Gotcha.
The sides are already flat, so you have waves to the side and small curls. So here are the most important part to keep, so you use the net to
Keep the net.
in place.
Alright,
And
gotcha.
then when you wake up in the morning or when you're ready to go on the road, you just use your hand
and just play with it a little bit.
You already know what to do.
Gotcha.
Use your hand and fluff it out. Well, I'm not fluff it out yet because I want you to still have
the curls.
So I can do them a little tighter.
Okay.
So when you're ready, then you can just use your hands and play with it and drop it back down in your face like this, and you're good to go.
Thank you so much.
Yes, it is. Alright, so I'm going to push on the mesh panel from now.
That's fine.
You're good.
That's so chef. Purpose of oppression.